Hello everyone, welcome to the KS Following Release 2 Hop. We're so excited to be sharing products from our new release, and we have a hop going on today, and I am using Fall is in the Air stamp set. It's such a beautiful stamp set. I love all those fall images. And I'm also going to be using a stencil for my card today, and it is the layered falling leaves stencil, and there is 2 stencils, and I'm going to be using some distress inks. I'm going to use Vintage Photo Distress Ink, Ground Espresso, Spiced Marmalade Oxide Ink, and Rustic Wilderness. And I'm just using these colors because they remind me of fall. And I wanted a stenciled background for my card for me using the new Fall is in the Air stamp. And so a little bit about the hop. We hope you'll visit all of our channels of everyone who is participating in the hop today, and you have a chance to win a $15 gift certificate to the Kat Scrappiness store. And we also have a hop on Instagram as well, so you can win there too. So more chances, and so you want to be subscribed to the KS newsletter and fill out the Rafflecopter form. And you want to check back if you are a winner. The giveaway ends October 19th. And so I am just finishing in doing my acorn tops here, and then I'm going to be ink blending some more leaves, and this is white cardstock, 110 pounds. And almost finished here. I love this stencil set, so if you don't have it, I suggest you grab it. It's really fun. And so now I'm going to use some Spiced Marmalade, Distress Oxide ink, and I'm just trying to get a few orange and green leaves. And I'm using my glitter blending brushes, and I have my pink caddy there, which holds my Kat Scrappiness tools. I have my Teflon bone folders in there, my rainbow ombre tweezers. What else I have in there? Just a lot of my brushes. And there's some more leaves I want to get in there. And then I'm going to cut this background out with a stitched A2 rectangle die, and that is from the Fall Frame die set. So really pretty. I like how it came out. And so there it is, and I was going to use the inner portion of that die, but then it wasn't going to show much of my background that I just made, so I decided just to use that stitched A2, and then I'm going to use the, I think it's the rounded, yes, the stitched rounded rectangle for my image. And I couldn't decide what I wanted to do. I love that pie on there too. But I decided to do the cart with the vegetables in it and sunflowers. And I'm using craft cardstock. And I'm doing some Copic markers, a little bit of Copic coloring here. And I will list what I used in the details. But I forgot how much I love coloring on cardstock, like craft cardstock, and I thought it was really fun doing this wood variation color combo. So maybe if you like it, you can try it, and so I will have it in the details there. And then I will do most of my other coloring offline because I don't want it it to be a coloring video. And so the new release is so fabulous, so many dies and stamps. So I hope you have fun hopping, because there's going to be so much inspiration. I'm excited to see everyone's project as well. And I loved our Halloween release too, so much fun. So there is my image all colored up, and now I will cut it out with that stitched rounded rectangle. And very easy to do. And I will have everything I use listed down below as well. And so my background's cut out and my image, and then I couldn't figure out what sentiment. I was going to use that bottom sentiment, but I went with the top one that says have a happy Thanksgiving, and I decided to just stamp over my background so that I didn't have to use another piece of cardstock, and then it would cover my background more. So one of the letters is a little hidden there with the leaf, but that's okay. You can see it in person much better. So, and I'm just adding some foam tape to the back of my stitch rounded rectangle, and see how easy this card came out. I really love how it came out. And now I will embellish my card with some, I'm using green for my A2 card base, and then the sentiment, the embellishments I used are just here for the pie sprinkles, and I love the pie, so the slice of pie is amazing, so cute. And I will be making a shaker card later on, so you can see more of those sprinkles. So there it is right there, and you get all kinds of assortment in there. See how pretty? I love the glitter sequins in there as well. And so I'm just going to use a few of those. There's the pie there. And it's like pumpkin pie. And we do have a pie die and add-on. So fabulous. I love it. So I'm just getting some browns and like one of those, I think I used 2 of those glitter sequins, and just adding them with my liquid glue. And I think I'm just putting 3, but I could be wrong. And then I'm going to be showing a close-up. So make sure and hop and do all the things before the giveaway ends. And here is a close-up. Thank you for joining me, and have a wonderful day.